But look, it seems to be everywhere I go in Carbrook. It's madness. Fences missing, trees blew down, police cornering bits off, walls fell down. Oh, look. Look, all the trees fall down, blew down. So I mean, man, it's just pure mad, innit? Oh, that car coming up behind. Yeah, look. Trees blew over at the side of the road. Look, I'm riding over trees. Yeah, man, it's proper mad. I think I was just slowly toddling through, having a look about. Some quick look up here. That fence fully gone. Look. Destruction all the way across. No, I'm just having a ride about.
Oh, right, I'm going to say there's a full tree over there landed on top of the car. So
Oh, is it? No. I know he's not going to be happy when he wakes up. Yeah, there's a full tree fell over up here. Brush's estate not been over this way for a while.